insightful session. I request all the dignitaries please stay back as I invite on stage Rajeev YSR, AVP of Economic Development Board. Sir, please felicitate our dignitaries present here on the stage.
Check. Yeah. Firstly, thank you very much, Mr. Giri, for the wonderful maneuvering of the conversation. You're tied two great ends. One technology startup, which has become one of the best and the biggest in the world, and the young startup that is just budding up, and rightly mixed with the conventional players and the crown of, I would say, both Telugu states, Electra Greek, which is really ringing the name. I think he and the entire panelists, they deserve a big round of applause, don't they? EVs definitely are the future, and the state of Andhra Pradesh is positioned to ride the wave of electric mobility. If at all you heard to the Honorable Minister talking, the entire Vizag-Chennai industrial corridor is being considered to be rightly and densely populated with charging infrastructure. The 10,000 plus electric buses of fleet, there are plans to convert all of them into either retrofitted or pure electric vehicles. And of course, the recent GO that is released to provide 1 lakh electric two-wheelers to all the government employees. That means the government is doing everything that is required to ensure there is right demand that is created so that players like you can flourish. Once again, thank you very much for your valuable and wonderful insights and such wonderful moderating and a great participation from all the audience. Thank you very much.